We shall now consider the same set of curves, y equals f of x and y equals g of x. But this time, we are going to construct a rectangular element that is horizontal, parallel to x-axis. Okay, so as shown in the figure, meron tayong horizontal rectangular element. So if this is the case, ano ang magbabago doon sa ano natin, doon sa equation natin? Unang-una, okay, so let us now try to analyze the rectangular element. Ano ngayon yung width? Itong width na ito. Ano na ngayon itong width na ito? Okay, this width is now along the vertical line. Ibig sabihin hindi na siya dx. Okay, this time kapag horizontal yung element natin, our width is now dy. Okay, so it's infinitesimal delta y, so dy. Ito, instead of y upper and y lower, hindi na siya y. Okay, so meron na tayong ito. Hindi na siya y, kundi x. Okay, so this is x. Since dalawa yung x natin dito, meron tayong x to the right and ito naman x to the left. Okay, x right and x left. So to calculate for the width of our rectangular element, this is actually the difference between x right and x left. Okay, so our rectangular element now has an area of, so our differential area is x right minus x left multiplied by dy. Okay, you see, our rectangular element, dy, dy na. So, our variable of integration is already y. So, ang ibig sabihin nito, unang-una, we need to express itong functions natin in terms of y. So, kung ito naka-y in terms of x yung mga functions natin, we need to solve them in terms of y. Okay, so yun yung isusubstitute natin dito sa equation natin. This time, iwawalis natin itong rectangular element natin na ito. Magmula dito sa point na to papunta doon sa point na yon. So, we are now considering the y coordinate. So, magmula dito, papunta dito. Okay, so that is from y equals c. So, iwawalis natin ito, area. So, integrate na natin. Iwawalis natin yan from y equals c to y equals d. Okay? So, x right minus x left dy. Ito naman yung formula natin kapag horizontal yung rectangular element natin. Okay? So, we have two different cases, two different scenarios doon sa area between two curves. We shall illustrate itong mga ginawa natin sa mga examples na susunod, sa mga videos na susunod. Kapag may tanong kayo, you can always ask. Okay?